Alright guys, so this is what I'm talking about. Oh no, a kid's on the sidewalk. And, oh well, a kid's on the sidewalk. Yeah, and I gotta close this, it's coming in. Knew it, I knew, oh my god.
Marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 3:45 p.m. At 2:46 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles west of Belmont Harbor to Midway Airport to 8 nautical miles southwest of 59th Street Marina, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Calumet Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Brenham Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor.
Alright, so that was a special marine warning that just came in. Oh my god. I'm not swearing. I did not know that a marine warning would just come in now. Hold on.
Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 3:15 p.m. At 2:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Stickney or over Midway Airport, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Chicago, Cicero, West Town, Austin, South Lawndale, Chicago Lawn, Bridgeport, Englewood, Chicago, and Northerly Island around 2:55 p.m. Navy Pier near North Side and Hyde Park around 3 p.m. Lincoln Park around 3:05 p.m.
I'm shaking.
Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include West Lawn, West Englewood, North Center.
We've never got it this bad before. We have never had something this bad.
Elston, Avondale, North Lawndale.
I keep seeing a rainbow.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Alright, to this point my foot is shaking so badly, I can't stop it and I think I'm going to fall down. Whoa. Yeah, we've only had it bad this once before. Oh, wow. That is creepy. And it's coming together. Yeah, we're in it. Please don't be what I think it is. Alright, load. Oh, I thought it was going to be a tornado possible. Does it even say our city? Oh my god, no. No, it doesn't say our city. Alright, but it says cities all around us, like Chicago. Only for central Cook County, northeastern Illinois. Navy Pier, other cities. Okay, oh my god. Alright, and my other thing also got this. Oh, now I have that sound stuck. It ended. I have that sound stuck in my ears that a warning's coming in. I've never seen a warning both come in that fast. Except maybe on my other radio. Since I had it since 2023. Yo! No way. Alright, and now the final test. is there puddles? Like I showed you earlier in this video, there was no puddles. Wow. Guys, do you see in just 5 minutes there could be dried up puddles to brand new puddles. And that looks like, well, I really wouldn't just say it's rotation. Although, this could be a supercell that may not produce a... Shoot. Alright. Well, has it developed that fast already? Oh my god. No.
I think the state wants it closed because I think the state wants to have a surprise element, not ambush, but surprise element when trying the case. I think you're right. Sticking around.
Is it coming back? Or are those just bad skies? Or is it like 20 funnels? Or is there like 25 funnels in the air right now? We're good. We're good. Piece of hail. Well, it's officially the storm that I showed you before and after. Guys, I showed you the before, in between, and after. Come on, I gotta get a few views on this at least. By few, I mean hundreds. Like, get a snack at 4 a.m. 865 views. Nice. Hover spinner. 860 views, I'm pretty sure. The other alert things I posted, which weren't real alerts, they were created by me still, though. A lot of views. Just legs exercise day 1. I don't even have a day 2 ready. Really? What is this?
Start every day better with Better Made omega-3s for joints, heart, skin, brain.
Really? You're gonna do that? I guess we could open this thing up. You're really gonna do that to me, Cloud? Oh, so you're for sure you're gonna do that. Alright. Well, I'm gonna go outside, look for a rainbow. Just kidding, I'm not. But, well, oh my god. Bro, that was intense. That was intense. A very intense storm with intense alerts. I mean, oh my god, this is going to add to my collection. EAS2 and EAS3 on KZZ81. This is going to add to my collection, my very first collection of EAS stuff. That Severe Thunderstorm Watch was the first. Second was the Special Marine Warning. Third was the Severe Thunderstorm Warning. Oh, guys. Well, oh my god. Thank you for watching this video. And if this continues to intensify, a localized tornado threat could develop. Thank you, everyone, for watching this video, if anyone has. Bye, guys. I'll see you soon. Also, it's somewhat helicopter season again, because there's a bunch of helicopters on our roofs. Oh, wait, you can even see them on the trees. Well, look at that one, right? Right there. Oh my god, dude, this is cool. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Hey, where's it at? I'd already moved. Oh, well, so what? Oh, wow, that just looks like you're looking at a blue paper. Bye, guys. I'll record again if there's any alerts. Bye.